This is the biggest comeback for any artist in the history of India, and this wouldn't have been possible without Stage Aaj Tak.
Roll camera and action.
He has been always there. He can't go out. His songs are 1 billion and 500 million plus. We can't ignore that. A hit is a hit.
Check, check, check. 1, 2. Hey, hey.
I was at the AP's show. My phone wasn't reachable, and Honey's team and Honey are trying to reach out. And then I come out and I get a call from Akshat from Ojas saying that let's meet, sir. I said okay, but it was 12 o'clock at night. I said abhi kahan? I was at my in-laws having dinner. But the next day we met and we closed the tour.
15 दिसंबर फाइनलाइजेशन, 24 को क्रिएटिव आउट, 4 जनवरी प्रोमो शूट और 11 को टिकट लाइव, जिस दिन वी वर डूइंग अ फेस्टिवल कॉल्ड इंडी म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल। स्टेज आज तक एक टूर से स्टार्ट किया था हमने, लेकिन ये नहीं पता था मुझको कि ऐसा फटेगा ये कि और कहाँ पहुँच जाएगा।
पूरे हिंदुस्तान में भी मुझे देख रहे हैं लोग आपकी वजह से।
लेकिन आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, वेट एंड वॉच, यू नो बिग थिंग्स आर इन द पाइपलाइन।
A stage show is completely different than what you see in a theater. A stage show, you are relating to your audience live there. So there are too many aspects to it. There is what the artist is going to be doing. There's what's the choreography. What's the lighting? What's the visual? What's the special effects? Are you having smoke? Are you having haze? Or are you having dry ice? तुम्हारा fireworks क्या होता है? तुम्हारा ये. So there are too many things that are involved in a live show. So there's too many things that goes on. So that is where I have taken up this role of a creative director, which in a way did not really exist in the live concert arena in India. And I've been doing that, and I'm very happy that I got this opportunity.
When you say choreography involved heavily, entry जो सबसे मेरा favorite रहा है, that would be, I'll say, Ahmedabad for his birthday, that we did with the dancers from backstage to coming on stage, and that was completely choreographed. And the best part is that we did it in 2 hours, क्योंकि हम लोग अहमदाबाद के पहले पुणे में शो कर रहे थे. We had to fly. The dancers reached the venue the next day before the show, and we only had 2 hours. So I'm proud that I've taken the best people from this country to make sure the show is fantastic.
Where things were no longer in our hand, which was Bangalore, it started raining.
Raining for last 3.5 hours.
So we had come here by 4 o'clock in the evening. It was raining so much, and we thought event was cancelled. But luckily,
That was a point where we probably felt that, plan A, plan B, plan C, nothing is going to work. We had to really settle down on our entries. We had great plans. We couldn't do any of it. The fans had the willpower. They were there throughout the rain, throughout the shower. So that gave enough energy to us and the artists to perform well.
Namaskara, Ingivira. Welcome to Bangalore, brother. We all love you. We all love you. All of you.
आज से 2-2.5 महीने पहले मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं पता ये सब कैसे होता है, और आज हमने इंडिया का वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट शो डिजाइन कर दिया. मतलब मैं वर्ड्स ही नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं इसको डिफाइन नहीं कर सकता. कोई ऐसे वर्ड बने नहीं है कि मैं जो फील कर रहा हूँ अभी वो मैं बता पाऊँ. हम हमेशा सोचते हैं भाई इंटरनेशनली ये हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है. भाई इंडिया में क्यों नहीं होगा? और मैंने अपनी टीम को और खुद को सिर्फ एक बात बताई, भाई जो बंदा मेरा शो देखने आएगा ना, उसको ऐसा दिखना चाहिए कि वो म्यूजिक वीडियो देख रहा है. टू शो म्यूजिक वीडियो ऑन स्टेज, दैट वाज माय वन लाइन ब्रीफ टू माय सेल्फ.
पाजी ने कहा था, आई वांट टू डेडिकेट समथिंग टू उस्ताद जी रहमान सर,
तो he had already mentioned प्रेमिका ने प्यार से करना है, कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करना है आप देखो. I have a feeling कि ये रिजेक्ट ही करने वाले हैं पाजी, but let's do it any which ways. He came into the rehearsal hall, we arranged everything, we were auditioning things with him. He loved it, and while he was singing then live on top of the arrangement, I was like, प्रेमिका ने प्यार से should happen here. And he loved the thing, and that has been one of the highlights of the show.
प्यार के संगीत में
आज तक की हिस्ट्री के अंदर किसी ने 30 days डाउन टाइम के अंदर इतना बड़ा टूर नहीं कराया है. I can tell you, like you can go, you can check, you can probably validate my points here. 30 days के डाउन टाइम के अंदर आज तक कोई टूर पड़ा नहीं. We have actually created a history.
घरवालों के ताने और हनी भैया के गाने सीधा दिल पे लगते. जेड़े कम्मां नूं है लोकी डर भजदे, मुंडा जान जान उन्हां नूं ही छेड़दा. Yes sir.
When you have to build something big and new, right, you have to pick up the best of the best. So, I mean, if you look at from the show director to somebody who's done the visuals, to the sound, to somebody who's running the show, to everything, we picked up the best of the best for everything because we knew that we don't have time. And if we have to pull off something which is supposed to be the biggest comeback, I think this is the biggest comeback for any artist in the history of India.
After 9 years, Candy, yo honey singer. सोच को भी बाहर चल दे, नाल जेड़े यार चल दे, काले कारोबार चल.
I think you guys are doing fab. This is what India really needs right now. Exploring artists, these live performances. Let's get some more interesting names on board soon.